Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In 2025, our phones are indispensable, and having a dedicated stand can truly transform how you use your device. Whether it's for video calls, watching content, following a recipe, or simply keeping your desk organized. But with countless options out there, from sleek desktop holders to innovative magnetic designs, how do you find the perfect one? Today, we're diving into our top 5 best handphone stands of 2025, all highly rated and incredibly popular among users who've embraced hands-free convenience. Get ready to upgrade your phone setup. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Moft X Phone Stand. If you're all about minimalist design and ultimate portability, the Moft X is a game changer. This stand is incredibly thin, often credit card thin, and attaches directly to the back of your phone, making it virtually invisible until you need it. It folds out effortlessly to provide multiple viewing angles in both portrait and landscape orientations, perfect for quick video calls, browsing, or watching content on the go. Its slim profile means it won't add bulk to your phone, and its durable material ensures longevity. For seamless, always-there convenience, the Moft X Phone Stand is a consistent favorite for its ingenuity and design. Find the link to this discreet and mighty stand in our description. Coming in at number 4 is the Lamicall Phone Stand. This stand is a classic for a reason and remains incredibly popular for its blend of robust stability and elegant simplicity. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, it provides a solid, wobble-free base for virtually any smartphone or even small tablet. The thoughtful design includes silicone pads on the cradle and base to protect your device from scratches and prevent slipping. It holds your phone at a comfortable fixed viewing angle, ideal for prolonged desk use, whether you're following a recipe, video chatting, or simply keeping your phone elevated and visible. The Lamicall Phone Stand is a perennial favorite for its reliable performance and clean aesthetic. Don't miss out. Click the link below the video. Taking the number 3 spot for its exceptional adjustability and versatility is the Nullaxi Dual Folding Phone Stand. This stand truly allows you to customize your phone's position. With 2 adjustable hinges, you can set both the height and the viewing angle, making it perfect for finding that ideal ergonomic setup for video calls, presentations, or even turning your phone into a mini second screen. When not in use, it folds down compactly, making it easy to slip into a bag for travel. Its sturdy aluminum build ensures stability even at higher elevations. For users who need maximum flexibility in how they position their phone on a desk or table, the Nullaxi Dual Folding Phone Stand is a highly sought-after solution. Get ready for personalized viewing comfort by clicking the product link in the description. Claiming the number 2 spot for its unbeatable combination of robust build quality, ergonomic design, and universal compatibility is the Omaton Adjustable Cell Phone Stand. Omaton is consistently a top-rated brand in phone accessories, and their adjustable stands are a prime example of why. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, it offers exceptional stability and durability, ensuring your phone stays securely in place. It features a thoughtful design that elevates your phone to a comfortable viewing angle, reducing neck strain whether you're watching videos, video calling, or simply keeping an eye on notifications. With its non-slip silicone pads and wide compatibility, it's a reliable and popular choice for any desktop or tabletop environment. For an all-around excellent phone stand that combines a premium feel with practical functionality, the Omaton Adjustable Cell Phone Stand is the undisputed leader and a top choice for users. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to get yours. And finally, our top pick for the top 5 best handphone stands of 2025, taking the #1 spot for its unbeatable combination of robust build quality, versatile adjustability, and universal compatibility, is the Ugreen Adjustable Phone Stand. This stand is a perennial favorite for a reason. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, it offers exceptional stability and durability. It features smooth hinges that allow for precise adjustments of both height and viewing angle, ensuring you can always find the most comfortable position for your phone. Its wide, sturdy base and non-slip silicone pads securely hold virtually any smartphone, even with a bulky case. For an all-around excellent phone stand that combines premium feel with practical functionality for any desktop environment, the Ugreen Adjustable Phone Stand is the undisputed leader and a top choice for users. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to get yours. So there you have it, our top 5 best handphone stands of 2025. From ultra-portable solutions to robust desk companions with added features, these popular accessories are designed to make your phone use more comfortable, ergonomic, and convenient. Choosing the right stand can truly enhance your daily interactions with your device. Ready to elevate your phone experience? You can find direct links to all these incredible handphone stands in the video description below. Clicking those links helps support our channel at no extra cost to you, so thank you. Which handphone stand are you planning to add to your setup? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and essential gadget guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.